Kingdom fungi. Fungi, they are heterotrophic organisms. They have great diversity in morphology and habitat. We have seen fungus growing on moist bread and rotten fruits. Mushrooms we eat, they are fungi. White spots on the mustard leaves, they are also parasitic fungus. And unicellular fungus, that is yeast, they are used to make bread and beer. There are other fungi which cause diseases in plants and animals. Wheat rust causing puccinia, that is an important example. Some of the other sources of antibiotics like penicillium. So fungi, they occur in air, water, soil, and on animals and plants also. Now yeast, they are unicellular fungi, they are filamentous. Other fungus, they are filamentous. Their bodies are made of long, slender, thread-like structures which are called as hyphae. And these hyphae, the network of these hyphae is known as mycelium. Some hyphae, they are continuous tubes which are filled with multinucleated cytoplasm, and these are called as cenocytic hyphae. Others, they have a septa or cross walls in their hyphae, and the cell walls of fungi, they are composed of chitin and polysaccharides. Most fungi, they are heterotrophic and they absorb organic matter from the dead substrate, and that is why they are called as saprophytes. There are fungi that depends on living plants and animals, and they are called as parasites. They can also live as symbionts in association with the algae as lichens and with the roots of higher plants as mycorrhiza. So reproduction in fungi, that takes place through vegetative means like fragmentation, fission, budding, by spores. Asexual reproduction is by spores called conidia or sporangiospores or zoospores. And sexual reproduction is by oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores. So the various spores which are produced, they are of different structures in the fruiting bodies, and the sexual life cycle involves plasmogamy, that is the fusion of protoplasm between the two motile or non-motile gametes, karyogamy, that is fusion of two nuclei, and meiosis in the zygote, which results in haploid spores. When a fungus reproduces sexually, the two haploid hyphae, they come together and they fuse, and in some fungi the fusion of two haploid cells immediately results in diploid cells. But in some fungi like Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, there is an intervening stage which is called as dikaryophase or dikaryon. Then later on, the parental nuclei fuse and the cells become diploid, and the fungi which form fruiting bodies in which the reduction of the division occurs, and this results in the formation of the haploid spores. So the morphology of the mycelium, mode of spore formation, and fruiting bodies form the basis for the division of the kingdom into various classes. Let's talk of Phycomycetes, which are called as the lower fungi. They are found in aquatic habitats. They are found in the dead, decaying wood in moist and damp places. They are obligate parasites on plants. Mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores, which are motile, or by aplanospores, which are non-motile. So these spores, they are endogenously produced in sporangium. This is a sporangium. And a zygospore is formed by the fusion of the two gametes. So these gametes, they are similar in morphology. So they are called as isogamous, or dissimilar in isogamous or oogamous. Some common examples are mucor, rhizopus, that is bread mold, and albugo. It's a parasitic fungi on mustard. Ascomycetes, they are also called as sac fungi. and they are mostly multicellular. Penicillium, when we talk about penicillium, which is or sometimes rarely unicellular, like yeast, Saccharomyces. They are saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, or coprophilous. Coprophilous means which are growing on generally dung. So mycelium is branched and septate. Asexual spores are conidia, which is produced exogenously on the special mycelium called conidiophores. Conidia on germination produce mycelium, and the sexual spores are ascospores, which are produced endogenously in sac-like structures which are called as ascus. These asci, they are arranged in different types of rooting bodies called ascocarps. Some examples are Aspergillus, Claviceps, Neurospora. Neurospora is used extensively in biochemical and genetic work. Many members like morels and truffles, they are edible and they are considered as delicacies. Basidiomycetes, these are also called as club fungi. They commonly forms the Basidiomycetes. They are mushrooms, bracket fungi, or puffballs. They grow in soil or on logs of wood, tree trunks, and in the living plant bodies as parasites like rust and smut. The mycelium is branched or septate, and the asexual spores they are generally not found, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. The sex organs, they are absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by the fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of the different strains or genotypes. So the resulting structure is a dikaryotic, which ultimately gives rise to a basidium. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place in the basidium, producing basidiospores. And these basidiospores, they are exogenously, bahar ki taraf, exogenously produced on the basidium. So the basidia, they are arranged in the fruiting bodies called basidiocarp. And some common members are agaricus, that is mushroom, astilago, that is smut, and puccinia, that is rust, which is a fungus. Deuteromycetes. In Deuteromycetes, we find they are commonly known as imperfect fungi or fungi imperfecti, because only the asexual or vegetative phases of these fungi, they are known. When the sexual forms of these fungi, they are discovered, they were moved into classes which were they rightly belonged to. So it is also possible that the asexual and the vegetative stage, they are given one name and they are placed under Deuteromycetes, and the sexual stage, that is another, that is placed under another class. So these linkages were later on established. So the fungi, they are correctly moved, they are called as Deuteromycetes, and they are discovered when they were often moved to Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. So the Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spores, which are known as conidia, and the mycelium is septate and branched, and some members, they are saprophytes or parasites, and a large number of them, they are decomposers on litter, and they help in mineral cycling. The examples are Alternaria, Colatotrichum, Trichoderma. These are the main examples.